We're here today to demonstrate the effectiveness of the ReadiMask with an eye shield and that it has no adverse effects on shooting performance. Dan is going to shoot with the ReadiMask on.
So I'm going to rip it off the top, pull it out, give my garbage to John. Good to go.
Now it's sealed completely. Okay.
Okay, let's get the gun.
Ready?
Oh! 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 Oh!
Miss.
Oh! 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 Oh!
Good shooting. We'll try over there?
You want to do a crosser?
Yeah. We'll do a cross.
Oh! Oh! Oh!
So Dan, did you have any adverse effect from the ReadiMask on your shooting performance?
None at all.